Hello and welcome. Introduction. Now, in the previous video, when we compiled the program when setting up FreeRTOS in Atmel Studios, we get errors and warnings generated. So in this video, I would like to show you how you can remove those errors and warnings. Now, in order to remove the errors and warnings, let's head over to Atmel Studio 7. Okay, so we're now in Atmel Studio 7. I have got the program set up. I've uploaded the bare minimum of the code here, and I've also built the code. All right, so so it generates the errors. There are 2 errors here and 4 warnings. Now let's deal with the errors first. All right, with errors, it will not run, it will not compile, it will not run. All right, so let's deal with the errors. So apparently there are only 2 errors. So the first one here, looking at this error symbol here, so it's called recipe for target. All right, so this error is found in a make file. All right, let me drag it a bit closer. And the other one is here. All right, so it's f_cpu undeclared, and is found in the FreeRTOS config.h file. All right, so now these 2 errors, all right, they are actually linked, and these here are related to these 2 errors. So let's take a look at this in expression of macro config cpu _clock _hz. Now that one is reported in port.c file. All right, so if I double click on that one, so the file opens up and the cursor is flashing here, pointing to the where the errors are occurring. Now this statement here is complaining that there's something wrong with this this particular config cpu _clock _hz. All right, now if we click on this error message here, f_cpu, double click on it, and the FreeRTOS config.h file now opens up here. Now the problem is here. Can you see the I hope you can see the cursor flashing. That's where the problem is. f_cpu, and if you go back to the error message, it says it's undeclared. All right, so what we need to do is we go here, we need to add in define f_cpu space and the frequency of the Atmega 328P that is used in the Arduino Uno R3. The frequency of the crystal is 16 megahertz. All right, so 16, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we need to add in UL. Now UL here stands for unsigned long integer. All right, so it's unsigned long. So once we put that in, we need to save it. Go to this toolbar here, click on save. All right, so now the file is saved. We have successfully what they call added this define directive here. So let's see whether this actually will remove the problem. All right, so now we go to build, and we can see that there's now no more errors. All right, so that's good, but we still have these warnings. So what I'm going to do is, let's see how we could remove the warnings. I'm going to leave this last. All right, let's look at these three warnings here. Now, if I click on this one, this is saying that the warning is found in tasks.c, and so is this at task.c. So if I double click on this one, and the file comes up, and the cursor is flashing. All right. Now I happen to know that there is a problem with this. It says here, if you go back to this warning message, it says WINT-2-pointer-cast. So it's something to do with this casting here of the integer type. All right, of the type that is used. Right. So what we need to do is to it doesn't like this port pointers underscore size underscore type. All right, it's complaining about this. So what we need to do is to change it to, all right, UINTPTR underscore T. That is unsigned integer pointer type. Now this data type here is holding the pointer value, right? It basically refers to the pointer's value. All right, now, so I happen to know there are 4 of these in this file because I've been trying to remove them earlier. So there's another one here. So we need to change that. Let me see. I think that's all right on that line. And then there's another one here. All right. So, oops. All right. Okay. So what we need to do is to change this. All right. And there's another one here. All right, so that's about it. There's 4 of these. Now, that's not the end of the story. But in order to use this data type, we need to have we need to do something to the beginning of the file. We need to add. So we scroll up. I think I'll use this. You scroll up. Oh, I'm a little bit too far. So here at the beginning, the standard includes. We need to add this. All right, the stdint.h. That is the standard integer.h file. So we need to add this directive up here at the beginning of the file. Now we save it. Let's see what happens. Now we go to build. Oh no, why don't we just finish this one off here? This one here. This is can be found, the warning can be found in this file, the heap_.c. So we double click on it, the heap_1.c file appears, and the pointer is flashing here again. It's complaining about the port pointer underscore size underscore type. So again, it's the same as before. We need to change that. I think there are 2 of these in this file. So let's deal with this first. All right, and scroll along here. I happen to know because, like I said earlier, I tried to rectify this much earlier. All right. Okay. So, and don't forget the include directive. All right, so the standard integer.h file. All right, so we need to include the stdint.h file. Then we save it. And all right, and let's look at this one here. The first one, unused variable uc high byte. All right, so and this can be found in the pod.c file. All right, so it's complaining that this is declared but not used. So let's double click on this. And the heap underscore one, no, sorry, the pod.c file. And you can see the cursor flashing next to the uc high byte variable. So what we need to do is to remove that. And now we save it. And now we've dealt with all these. Now we go to build and build FreeRTOS. Oh, there's still another one that is not done yet. So let's go back. Oh, where is it? Oh, here, right? For some reason we missed it. I missed it out. All right, so let's let's save it and see what happens. I go back to build. All right, so the build success and it's all up to date. So we have successfully removed the errors and the warnings. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.